Bulla everyone, add radiance and luminosity to your skin with this daily moisturizer, our Kakadu Super Vitamin C Brightening Creme with hyaluronic and lime caviar. It uses 3 types of vitamin C, lime caviar, Kakadu plum, and our vitamin C oil concentrate, bringing you radiance and luminosity while stimulating collagen and smoothing fine lines and wrinkles. In addition to that, fresh garden sprout extract really targets those dark spots, also helping to even out and brighten skin tone. Hyaluronic acid infuses moisture into skin while smoothing and plumping as well, leaving it super hydrated, while our botanical oil blend nourishes skin cells as well. Take the lid off and apply to cleanse and tone skin morning and night. 1 pump to your fingertips, gently massage that in and apply directly to your face and neck. So you want to massage this over your entire face and neck after cleansing and toning morning and night. And using this day cream will be sure to increase radiance and luminosity and even out your skin tone. So get glowing, everybody.